Monday.com for personal use. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Monday.com for your personal tasks. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now for those of you who don't know, Monday.com is an all-in-one software that lets you help manage everything in your life, your business, your own personal tasks, your school, whatever you want to do. You can go ahead and use it and manage your skills, your time. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. I'm going to go ahead and sign up quickly, and then I will explain to you how you can set up your boards for your projects, for your personal life, and or your personal tasks. And then I will tell you a little bit about its pricings. Now, I am going to be using a temporary email address for this website, for this video, but you don't have to. You can use your own email address. So I'm just simply going to copy this email address. And over here, since we want to have over here, we just want to click on get started. It's completely free. Don't worry. There are plans, as I said before, which I will tell you about them later. Now over here, just simply enter in the email address and click on continue. And then just enter in your full name, your password, and your account name. Agree to the terms and services and click on continue. And over here, what brings you here today? Work, personal, school, or nonprofit. We're going to use personal and click on continue. And over here, what would you like to manage first? Education, HR, recruiting, legal, promo, marketing, whatever you want to do, you can go ahead and do that. But let's just say we want to manage education and click on continue. And over here, what would you like to focus on? Academic research, student organization, individual work, administrative work, and we have group assignments, project management, and more. And we have workflows as well. So for now, we'll just choose group assignments, and we'll choose another thing over here. If we, yeah, project management, I think workflow is going to be project management. Then we just simply click on continue. And over here, we'll just say social media, that where did you hear about them? We'll just choose social media and click on continue. And then they ask you to invite your friends or your team members. So what you can do is you can just simply copy this link and send them to your team members individually, or you can simply add in their email addresses over here. And you can also choose what role they want to play, so either a member role or an administrative role. It all depends on you, but we're going to do this later, so we'll just simply click on I'll do it later. Say project planning. Over here, we're going to name our board. We're just simply going to rate project and simply click on next. And then they're going to ask us, what would you like to manage in this project? Campaigns, projects, leads, generatives. We're going to choose projects, and we're going to click on continue. And over here, we'll have this month, next month. Yeah, I think that looks nice. We'll click on continue and complete. Then it's going to set up our board, and this is how it's going to look like. So I'm just going to get rid of this little tutorial over here. And boom, here we go. Now this is how it looks like over here. This is a pretty simple timeline over here. You have your tasks, you have your group over here, you have your task, you have your projects, and you have your all of the other stuff as well. But basically this is going to be your dashboard, and over here this is going to be your main workspace over here. And in workspace you're going to have folders, and in folders you're going to have like board. So this is the board, this is the main board over here. You can add more boards. If you click over here, you can click on move to rename board and stuff like that. It all depends on you. Or you can click over here, add, and you can add a new board, add a new dashboard, choose from templates or new form. It all depends on you. So now, as I told you that you can add your team members later as well. So you can invite your team members by clicking on the invite button over here at the top of your dashboard, or over here on the left side at the bottom corner, click on invite members, and then do the exact same thing as I said. Just simply copy the link over here or enter their email addresses. And once you've added in their email addresses, you can choose either their viewers only or members. And then just simply click on invite, and boom, you are good to go. Then they'll just accept the invites, and they'll be available over here in your dashboard. And boom, as you can see over here, you have added your members, member 1, member 2, member 3. You have them over here. You are now good to go. So that's how you basically do it. Now over here, as I said before, you can go ahead and manage it on your own. So you can just simply add in different projects over here. You can assign different projects to different people, and they have your statuses over here, and you have your date, and you can add in more columns if you feel like it, such as people, date, time tracking, numbers, files, formula, text, dependencies, whichever one you want. You can go ahead and add them over here. It all depends on you. And simple, you can add your task by just typing in over here. Let's say do research, and then just simply click on add, and boom, you have your tasks over here. Then what you can do is you can simply click over here and assign it to your member. They can go ahead and say whether they're working on it or done, and then you can add like a date as well for the due date for this task and stuff like that. And for the next month, you can go ahead and add it as well. And then over here at the top, you have your views. You can view it as a dashboard, as a chart, as a Gantt, column, form, whatever you want. Even so, this is the dashboard view of your board. So if you want, you can go with a calendar view with a new workload widget, numbers, Gantt view, as I said before. So click over here, and then you will have your calendar view. Over here you have your calendar, then you can see all of your project and their deadlines, when they're due and stuff like that. So as you can see, this is how you basically do it. It's pretty simple and it's really good. You can go ahead and do it however you feel like it. So that's how you basically use monday.com to manage your personal life. As I said before, you can use it for anything. I'm just basically showed it for as like as someone would say from a student's perspective. Of course, you can do everything you want. It all depends on you. I like to keep things simple, so that's why I didn't go into a lot of details over here, but generally this is how it is. So now let me just tell you the pricings of it if you wanted to know the pricing of monday.com. So over here, as you can see, these are the pricing plans for monday.com. There are basically 5 plans. So we have the free, the basic, the standard, the pro, and the enterprise. And each plan is going to have different pricings, and it all depends on the number of seats you have. So the number of seats meaning the number of your team size. So for example, if you have 5 team members, then for a free one, of course, it's gonna cost you much, but you can only add up to 2 seats in the free version. And over here you will have unlimited boards, unlimited documents, 200 templates, over 20 column types, over 2 team members, and both Android and iOS applications as well. But if you're going to use the basic one, it's going to be $8 per seat, and the total is going to be $40 per month. And with this one, you can have unlimited free viewers, unlimited items, 5 GB file storage, and prioritized customer support, and create a dashboard based on one board as well. And you will get all of the features from the previous plan as well. Same goes with over here. In the standard one, it's going to be $10 per seat per month, and it's going to be a total of $50 per month. And over here you will get a timeline and a Gantt view, calendar view, guest access, automations, which are going to be 250 actions per month, and integrations, which are going to be 250 actions per month as well. And then you can create a dashboard that combines up to 5 boards. And then you have the pro plan, which is going to cost you $16 per seat per month, and then the total is going to be $80 per month. And in this one you get private boards and docs, chart view, time tracking, formula column, dependencies, automations with over 25,000 actions, and integrations. And there are also going to be about 25,000 actions per month, and create a dashboard that combines up to 10 boards. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you're not going to need the enterprise, but if you're still wondering about the plan, then these were it. But if you're going to use it for your personal life, meaning your schoolwork and stuff like that, then I'm pretty sure you need the pro plans. But hey, if you still decide to, now you know, right? So that's pretty much it. That's all the things that you needed to know about monday.com, and that's how you basically use it. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.